Soundstripe.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kpriscila. My subscribers, what's poppin'? If you're new here, my name is Karen. You can call me K. Some people know me as K the Diamond, Karen, whatever, whatever you want to call me. Anyway, I'm here to do an unboxing video. I just purchased a MacBook cover and an iPad cover for my MacBook and iPad, obviously. So I'm here to kind of show you what I got. And yeah, so if you are new here, please like, share, subscribe if you enjoy my channel. And if you are a gang subscriber, then I love you so much. All right, so I'm just gonna start off really. Well, this is the iPad that I have. I use it for my business or logo creation. The case that it has on it is a keyboard at this moment. It's really efficient. I love it so much. I just wanted something new because I don't always want to walk around carrying this iPad with the keyboard on it. So I definitely wanted something new, which is why I ordered the iPad case. This is an iPad 9th generation, maybe 10th. I'm not really sure. I will figure that out. And then this is my baby. This is my baby right here, which needs to be cleaned, and I will be cleaning this on video. But this is my MacBook Pro 2021 edition with the touch bar. People might ask me why I haven't updated my MacBook, and that's because I personally enjoy the touch bar on it. It's really easy to navigate. If you don't know what it looks like, I will show you after I clean it because I'm not the only one who uses this MacBook. My kids do. I have 2 boys, and sometimes my son, he uses it to play his games, which he has his own computer, but you know, he wants to use a MacBook. I don't blame him. I really don't, because he has an HP and I'm Apple all day. So I will also show you what I got for the MacBook cover. Okay, so I'm just going to start off real quick by cleaning it off. I don't personally like to use water or anything of that sort on any devices. So I'm just going to slightly just clean it off with this rag. I do know they sell certain sprays and things like that to clean off MacBooks, devices, but I don't even want to risk it. So I just clean it off with a dry rag and make sure it looks good. I'm cleaning off the keyboard because it also does come with a keyboard cover as well. And I'm just going to clean off the screen, make sure it's good here. I know you probably can't see what I'm doing, but I'm really just cleaning it off. And yeah, just take off that dust and stuff. And then I'm just going to do the same thing with my iPad, just cleaning it off. And also removing this from the pad. Definitely needs to be clean because it's definitely been in this case for a while. So I just want to make sure it's decent enough for the new case. Clean or wipe the top of the iPad. Perfect, because obviously it's just a rag, but it'll do for the video. Removing this cover and my baby. I call it my big baby, my little baby. These are my 2 powerhouses, you know. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and unbox Amazon, of course. And once you see it and you like it, they are definitely gonna be on my Amazon storefront. So I will definitely put the link down below. And I will be making more videos of unboxing Amazon items that I purchase, so that if that's something that you want to buy or interested, you can definitely purchase it on my storefront. All right, let's start off with the iPad, since that's the baby. All right, I should have got scissors. So this is it. The brand is Otto. This is the brand Otto. And I heard really good reviews on this. So give you a little ASMR. Ooh, look at this light purple. So fact about me, quick fact. My favorite color is purple. I love lavender. I love all shades of purple, really. But I wanted something light for the summer. So I got this lavender, and it's so cute. Oh, look. It comes with stickers. That is adorable. I probably won't use these because, let's see. It's like a panda, ice cream. I'll probably give these to my son. He'll probably love to color with these. And then the other one are forest animals. It's adorable. Yeah, they came with 2 stickers. And this is too cute. I would recommend for you to clean this off though, because it still has dust. And I believe if you have an Apple Pencil, yeah, which I do, I don't have it right now, you can put it right here. That's really cute. But I wanted something simple. So let's see the transition. Okay, here it is. Perfect fit. Super cute. Yes, I love it. And then whatever iPad color you have, you can see it in the back, which is, I think, is really cute. I wish I had a different color iPad, but I don't. But it's super cute, y'all. This is it. I think it's adorable. It's really cute. Let's see what other features this may have. I think it just folds, maybe. I thought I did something else. Let me just make sure. No, that's it. That's really what it does. But anyway, it's really cute. It's very adorable. And then if you fold it, you can also see the purple in the back. So if you're just doing your work, it's just a really cute asset to your iPad. So this is really adorable. I love it. All right, I give that, I'm gonna rate that like an 8 out of 10. Only because I thought that it was an iPad holder that could actually stand up. But it's still super cute, and I will still put the link down below if you want to purchase it. I believe it was only $12, so that's a really good deal. And then we're gonna do the big baby. I hope this looks like what it did in the picture, because I'm gonna be very disappointed if it's not. How cute! Like I said, my favorite color is purple. So, and this is giving pink, purple. I'm in love. So let's unbox it here. Some more ASMR. Oh, and it comes with iMac cover. I already have one on mine, so I don't need that. And this is the keyboard cover. This is so cute. I love it. And oh my God, look how pretty. Flashback, sorry y'all. But this is what it looks like. That is so freaking cute. I cannot wait to put it on. Oh my God. I think I need scissors for this one. All right, I'm back. I had to go get a knife. Couldn't find scissors, but whatever, it'll do. Let's see. There we go. Some more ASMR. Clearly, y'all can tell I'm obsessed with ASMR. So, all right, let's see this beauty. Just love unwrapping stuff, don't y'all? Like, maybe it's just me. I like the noises and sounds. How cute is this keyboard cover? And this is my background. This is something that I found on Tumblr. It's really cute. It's like mood board. Look how cute that is. Y'all, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Like, I've had a prior cover before, so I already have this back piece, which, you know, it's good if this ever breaks, but it hasn't. So this already has a back piece on it. But look at how freaking cute. Yo, this is mad cute. Like, yeah, it's giving like pretty girl, prissy girl, kpriscila vibes. I love it. And I will also link it below. But it's giving big sister, little sister. Like, yeah. I'm in love with these two items together, especially. You know what I'm saying? I mean, most people, they like neutral colors. I like changing things based on the seasons, things like that. So I definitely wanted something light and pretty for spring and summer. Might change it up on summer. I don't know yet. But yes, so I will link everything below. That was my small little unbox. I just want to thank you guys for watching. I know this was a really small video. I promise to make more content soon. It wasn't anything too detailed. I just wanted to make sure you guys seen what I got from Amazon. And I will definitely be posting more of these videos. So I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your night. And you'll see me back soon.